Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, after seeing the basic structure of the keratinized and the non-keratinized epithelium, their various layers and the various cells, today we are discussing about the classification of oral mucosa. So, the oral mucosa, it could be classified into two ways, which is based on the functional criteria, and next it is based on the superficial layer structure. So based on the functional criteria means what function that does that mucosa or that layer performs. So based on functional criteria, the mucosa or the oral mucosa, it could be classified into three, that is M, L and S. Masticatory mucosa, lining or the reflecting mucosa and specialized mucosa. Okay, masticatory mucosa, it is a very important question for short answer like gingiva and hard palate. देखो इसमें gingiva आता है and next is the hard palate. ये दोनों बहुत important questions बनते हैं, ठीक है. So masticatory mucosa contains gingiva and hard palate. Next is the lining or the reflecting mucosa. So the lining or the reflecting mucosa, it contains lip, cheek, ये कहाँ कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है, ठीक है. एल्वियोलर म्यूकोसा, सॉफ्ट पैलेट, फ्लोर ऑफ माउथ, then the vestibular fornix. So these are the 6 places where the lining or the reflecting mucosa is present, like lip, cheek, alveolar mucosa, soft palate, floor of the mouth, vestibular. 6 आप mention कर सकते हो, lip, cheek, alveolar mucosa, soft palate, floor of mouth and vestibular fornix. Next is the specialized mucosa. This is also very important for exam point of view. What are the specialized mucosa? It is dorsum of tongue, and taste buds. ठीक है. तो मैस्टिकेटरी म्यूकोजा में क्या क्या आएगा? जी है, जिंजाइवा एंड हार्ड पैलेट. लाइनिंग म्यूकोजा में लिप, चिक, alveolar mucosa, soft palate, floor of mouth and vestibular fornix. Specialized mucosa, it contains taste buds and dorsum of tongue. Next, based on the superficial layer structure. So superficial layer क्या है? It could be either keratinized or non-keratinized. So keratinized mucosa में कौन कौन सा आता है? It is the masticatory mucosa, and the vermilion border of lip. In non-keratinized mucosa, it is the lining mucosa. So दिस इज़ इट अबाउट द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ओरल म्यूकोजा. अब इसमें से कौन कौन से इंपॉर्टेंट हैं जो क्वेश्चंस की तरह आते हैं? इट इज़ मैस्टिकेटरी म्यूकोजा, बोथ जिंजाइवा एंड हार्ड पैलेट. नेक्स्ट इज़ डॉर्सम ऑफ टंग, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. टेस्ट बर्ड्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नेक्स्ट इज़ द वर्मिलियन बॉर्डर ऑफ लिप. सो दीज आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस. और भी कुछ पूछा जा सकता है, बट दीज आर मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस दैट कुड कम इन द एग्जाम. I hope I have made myself clear. Thank you. Keep visiting. And yes, in the coming video, we'll be discussing about the masticatory mucosa, starting up with the hard palate.